Let's turn now to the auto space. Shares of Rivian popping on the announcement of a $5 billion investment from Volkswagen Group. Now, here's what this pertains. The automakers are forming a joint venture that will focus on creating tech for electric vehicles. The partnership comes amid a broader slowdown in EV sales and is seen as a lifeline for Rivian, which has struggled with cash burn. Rivian is down nearly 50% so far in 2024. Here with more is Yahoo Finance's Pras Subramanian. Hey, Pras.
Hey, what's going on?
Not much. We're just trying to figure out what's up with Rivian here.
Yeah, so basically you mentioned this deal. This is a big joint venture situation here, right? So the money's going to go towards building next generation software-defined vehicles. But basically what this means is, Volkswagen is paying through a JV for Rivian technology, their zonal hardware design, which is sort of the underpins their R1 vehicles, and then also electrical architecture, all the different electrical connectivity, motors, things like that. They're paying for it all. They're going to pay that $1 billion initial investment convertible into stock at some point, plus an additional $4 billion into the joint venture for a commitment of $5 billion. Like you mentioned, it's a big deal for them because of the fact that cash burn was a problem. There was concerns about how they're going to bridge over to their R2 next-gen vehicles coming in 2026. Do they have the cash to get to that point? Now they do, and you have the backing of a major, one of the largest automakers in the entire world.
Is this a win for VW too? And I guess also just in terms of if this partnership is successful, are there other EV makers that maybe could potentially stand to benefit from this too?
So the VW thing is very interesting because I was on a call last night with analysts and VW CEO Oliver Bluma, and the analysts were saying, hey, what's going on here? You're already spending a lot of money on EVs. Why are you now buying more EV tech from another company? Are you double dipping here? What's going on? It's like, no, we're not doing that. We're using our other technology and other VW corporate brands, but we're using Rivian stuff for future vehicles. People have surmised they have a Scout brand coming up, electric adventure vehicles. That could be where the Rivian R2 pops up in the VW world. But you mentioned other companies can benefit from these types of licensing situations. I think there was a City note today talking about how Lucid could be the next big sort of beneficiary of this because they've already licensed technology to Aston Martin. They build their own motors, their own electrical architecture, all that stuff, batteries, and they have the know-how to sort of, here's a package for you to build your EV. And I think that maybe there's some overall bullishness in the entire space. Even Fisker, look, they went out of business, but they have valuable IP technology. Like that could go somewhere.
All right, Pras, thanks so much tracking all things Rivian plus Volkswagen and the entire automotive landscape. Appreciate it.